Welcome to Angkor Wat Temple. Tickets purchased here. And here is the entrance. Angkor Wat, located in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Construction started in the 12th century. Built over 900 years ago, ordered by King Suryavarman II. Angkor Wat means City of Temples. It was the center of the Khmer Empire. Hindu origins. Angkor Wat was first a Hindu temple. Dedicated to the god Vishnu. Vishnu is known as the protector of the universe. The temple shows many Hindu carvings. Stories of gods are carved in stone. The walls are filled with holy legends. Religion was at the center of Khmer life. Buddhist Transformation. In the 13th century, Buddhism spread here. Angkor Wat became a Buddhist temple. Statues of Buddha were placed inside. Monks came here to pray and meditate. It is still an active Buddhist site today. This mix of Hindu and Buddhist art is unique. Angkor Wat tells the story of two great religions. Both faiths shaped the temple's history. Visitors can see both Hindu gods and Buddhas. This blend makes Angkor Wat very special. Architecture and symbolism. The temple has 5 main towers. They represent Mount Meru, home of the gods. Ancient people believed Mount Meru was sacred. The towers rise like stone mountains. The highest tower reaches 65 meters. The temple is a model of balance and order. This is why it feels so majestic. Every detail had meaning to the builders. Moat and Carvings. Angkor Wat is surrounded by a huge moat, over 600 feet wide, almost like a river. It protected the temple from floods and enemies. The moat also reflected the temple beautifully. Inside, walls are covered with carvings. They show battles and holy stories. One famous carving shows the churning of the ocean of milk. It tells of gods and demons creating life. Construction and survival. It took around 30 years to build Angkor Wat. Sandstone was carried from mountains miles away. Each block was cut and placed by hand. Builders used no machines, only skill. Stones fit so perfectly they still hold today. Angkor Wat survived while many temples collapsed. Even when the city was abandoned, monks stayed. That is why Angkor Wat is in good condition. Other temples nearby became ruins, but Angkor Wat remained alive and sacred. For centuries, Angkor Wat was little known to outsiders. In 1860, French explorer Henri Mouhot visited it. His writings amazed the Western world. Artists and scholars came to study it. Restoration began under French rule. Experts from around the world helped preserve it. Millions of visitors now come each year. Angkor Wat became a global treasure. A true wonder of the world.
Welcome to Angkor Wat, and also thank you so much for you coming to our beautiful temples. Thank you so much.
Please like and subscribe for more journeys.